What is up, y'all? We're here for part 2. So today we're gonna be installing the Cobb flex fuel kit, and it should be pretty simple. I have a spot where I'm mounting this. I'm making a bracket as we speak of where I'm going to mount this and where to connect all the harnesses and everything. So I'll show you guys that right now. Okay, so I will be mounting this right here. I'm gonna run it through right here. Okay, so I'm gonna be making an extension bracket just so I can get it like that. And I'm gonna have it running right here, just like that. Okay, so that's gonna be there like that. And for the fuel pressure sensor for the kit, if you're going aftermarket, this is where you put the fuel pressure sensor. So that's where I'm gonna be having mine. And then I'll show you guys how to route the wiring. So for the fuel pressure sensor, it's going to be going on your passenger side TGV, and keep in mind you will be needing TGV deletes, I believe, to be running this. So let me run it where I'm going to run it through, and I'll show you guys where to plug it in. So how I'm going to be running it is I'm going to be having mine right here, so I'm running it right here to get plugged in, or you could just run it straight across wherever you mount it over here. So that's where I'm having mine, and I'm running it under where my fuel lines are, right here under the manifold over the inlet, and it's going to come out, and this is going to be plugged into your passenger side TGV. So it's going to be this one, and it should just pop in just like that, and it should be over here where this harness should be. So let me just snap it in. Okay, so it's all plugged in and it should be good now. And that's how you run that wiring. Okay, and for the next wire is gonna be the module. Okay, so you're gonna need an Allen. I only have metric, so it's 732s. So they should provide you this bolt, Cobb should. And I'm going to be mounting my module. Where is it? Oops. I'm going to be mounting my module right here. So I deleted the fuel rails, but I'm going to be mounting it right here, just like that. So let me get that in. Okay, as you can see, fit in just nicely, not going nowhere. All right, so next up is gonna just detangle these. This is gonna be for your O2 sensor, which I will show you guys where that goes. But for now, these are the ones I'm focusing on. So this will be plugged into your ethanol sensor, and this to your TGV. So your TGV is gonna be up here, as you can see. And you're just gonna wanna plug it in. So let me do that. All right, it's all plugged in now. And this one, I will show you guys once it's mounted how to plug. Well, it's pretty simple, you just plug it in, but I will be plugging it in once I have this mounted. So yeah, and then this, I'm gonna be running it along the firewall. So if you just use some zip ties, anything you want, I'm gonna be routing it, and I'll show you guys how I route it. All right guys, so this is where I mounted it. Right here, I added this bracket, little extension bracket, and I bolted it up. It comes around this way, so it's gonna be right here. So that's where my ethanol sensor is gonna be placed at. All right, so next is this brown tab that goes to the ethanol sensor that I said earlier. And you're just gonna plug it in back over here like that. And that's it for that. So back to the routing to the O2 sensor, I ran it back through over here, right down over here, wrapping around, and then it drops straight down. And then, as you can see, it's right there, and I'll show you guys where to plug it in. Guys, so down over here, you're gonna find this yellow cord. That's for the O2 sensor, and then this one, you're just gonna wanna unplug it, okay? All right guys, so down over here, you're gonna find this yellow cord, and then this O2 sensor right here, this plug, and you're just gonna plug them in. So I'll show you guys how to do that. All right guys, so as you can see, this is how it goes. The yellow one goes to this lighter one, and then connects right here, and it just splits off like that for the power. And then you're just gonna want to zip tie wherever you have it loosed on here, so it's not dragging or ripped. So yeah, guys, that's how you install it down under the car. All right, guys, so that's how you install the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit. So I mounted my module right here. You run it to the front TGV right here. As you can see, it's plugged in. And then you run the other brown cord down back here to the sensor. And then the O2 sensor under the car, like I showed you guys. I'm not gonna crawl under there, so I'm sorry. And if you bought the fuel pressure sensor, it goes to the passenger side TGV, plugged in. Run it however you want. I'm running it down to the middle right here because that's where mine's gonna be. And you can just run it to wherever you guys want in the engine bay. So that is how you guys install. And if you guys are wondering where to put the flex fuel sensor, you put it on the return line. So that's why it's not connected yet for me, because I don't have the regulator installed yet. So it's gonna run from here to here, and then from here back to the return line. So that's how you install the Cobb Flex Fuel Kit. Later, guys. So yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that episode. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Don't mind the hair, it's long as fuck. But yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe if you guys want to see more content. And that is my Cobb Flex Fuel install. Catch you guys next time.